Welcome to Astrologer. Today I am gonna say about love compatibility. So let's go right into it, and before only small percentage of you are actually subscribed, so if you end up this video useful please subscribe. Aries and Taurus compatibility. Aries and Taurus sexual and intimacy compatibility. Your Taurus accomplice is a moderate and extremely erotic darling, and regularly not into anything courageous on an everyday premise. You most likely won't have the option to change this, anyway. Similarly as with different territories you can bargain and gain from one another. This can bring about an incredible mix of your immediacy and exotic nature, giving you both the best of the two universes. Give and take is the key, don't let both of you overwhelm the relationship. Keep a receptive outlook and make your Taurus give you how much fun the ideas of tolerance and expectation can be. You have one of the most delicate and arousing darlings around, while those aren't the components of sex, which at the first draw in numerous Aries, with some persistence most can come to welcome them. It's essential to note anyway that we're taking a gander at sun signs here. Numerous different planets can have an equivalent or more noticeable impact on somebody's character. Bodes well, as at last everybody is one of a kind. Summing up, excessively far dependent on sun signs can along these lines be diluting. Let us additionally recall that Taurus is a fixed sign, practically stuck in a rut, and with regards to sexual fulfillment, they will once in a while bargain and settle for not exactly great. Aries and Taurus trust. Both of these signs can shape a steady relationship loaded up with trustworthiness. Neither of them is flaky or flees from a decent test. This can add to an inspirational mentality and open concurrences on honesty when they are together. The two of them need to look for their one genuine romance, as Mars and Venus consistently do. This can prompt unfaithfulness and run-of-the-mill love triangle issues because of the absence of feeling from Aries or lack of self-esteem by Taurus accomplice. In any case, if they impart well from the earliest starting point, they will, for the most part, discover how significant shared trust is to the two and make a decent attempt not to impair it. Long-term relationship. For this to work, you both need to bargain and compromise. Your Aries should be less requesting and forceful, and you should be, to a lesser extent, a wet blanket here and there. If you can both keep a receptive outlook and oppose delving in on an issue or outsider idea, at any rate till you've attempted it a couple of times, the prizes will be useful for both of you. Without give and take on the two sides, this won't be an exceptionally agreeable organization. Your Aries is free, lively, and foolish, and keeping in mind that those are attributes you find appealing, they aren't ones you especially appreciate sharing. After some time, your Aries will come to value your sound judgment, strength, and reliability. You'll more likely than not become their stay, taking care of issues, and maintaining a strategic distance from an emergency in a viable way. You have the specific attributes your accomplice most needs, but they'll very likely discover you marginally exhausting. Thus, remind them, and yourself, that tolerance and arranging are pragmatic aptitudes, and not a weakness. Aries and Taurus communication and intellect. Aries snatches their feelings and mostly doesn't give up. At the point when Taurus sees this current Aries conduct, they dive in. They don't move. Ever. They don't have the feeling of sound. You can nearly expect a profound voiced moo as they get increasingly aggravated. Their shoulders go up, their eyebrows make an M, and they remain there, irritating their Aries accomplice significantly more. Who could be this brutal to remain there and not tune into a word their adored one says in that shrill tone? Taurus can. Not in light of the resentment, but since they are in reality too delicate to even think about dealing with this sort of conduct. Taurus never looks excessively sensitive. You can envision how this individual can respond to yelling and hatred of any sort. On the off chance that they can discover their way through those willful clashes, it is no different if they were keen or moronic, because they should cherish each other without a doubt. The solution for this condition is in the center. Taurus needs to define substantial limits and act safely from the sheltered zone they've made, and Aries needs to make a stride back and bring down their voice, only a smidgen. This would be a decent spot to begin. Aries and Taurus emotions. It is protected to accept that as much as they may adore one another, it will be hard for the two to realize they are cherished. Aries shows their feelings boisterously and transparently, in an unpleasant way and impatient. Taurus may locate the shallow, too extraordinary, or even fake, as they don't perceive this sort of conduct as affection. The issue is in the way that Aries discovers this exhausting, reliable, or even false. To cause each another to feel cherished, the two should figure out how to demonstrate warmth to their accomplice, which contrasts a great deal from their common one. This can be a little or a considerable obstruction, and the result relies just upon their preparation to tune into the necessities of their cherished one. Shared activities. Aries and Taurus. Regardless of whether they go for espresso together, there is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity Aries accomplice will complete theirs and be exhausted in around 20 minutes. At the same time, Taurus accomplice would taste their espresso, appreciating it, then request some cake. The main action the two would understand is a stroll through the recreation center and any moderate outside activity to re-establish contact with nature. Aries and Taurus love compatibility. A love affair or a partnership between Aries and Taurus is a very expected culmination of love. Here passion is represented by Aries and a natural union by Taurus. Balance is the name of the game. Aries wants to leap into the fray without a second thought, on the other hand Taurus prefers to be a little more sedate. This can be the cause of a major glitch. Taurus is greatly enamored about the idea of courted and romanced. These two ideas are poles apart and are a basically strange concept to the absolutely blunt Aries. Both these sun signs can learn a lot from each other. The unfeasible and silly whims of Aries can be checked by Taurus. In turn, Aries can be of assistance to Taurus in being just a tad more unprompted and adventurous. When the Aries tries to flaunt strength, Taurus is extremely tolerant. There is an understanding of the spirit that lies behind the display of bravery and strength of the Aries. There is also comprehension of the frenzied decisions and taking of decisions, which ultimately means the overall aspect of Aries being prone to others taking advantage of them. However, it is the forceful push of the Aries that forms a magnetic appeal for the Taurus, especially one who is looking for financial stability, among other qualities. The novel ideas of creation is the creation of the Aries, and this is what the Taurus shapes into concrete results. It is more than likely that Aries will question the means that the Taurus, who is a closed personality, uses, even while they are having a very good time together. The Aries is able to persuade a Taurus to a world that is much more social. When this happens, the Taurus will find that they have thrown open their passionate interest in the outdoors, music, art, or even just as a hobby. If a situation demands that Taurus be pliable and tolerant as regards independence to the degree that Aries wants them to be, they are ready and willing, since Taurus is a fixed sign, while Aries is a cardinal one. No amount of effort will allow Aries to push their way through. It is a much better idea not to make the effort at all. On the contrary, if Aries uses a bit of charm and delicacy, they are much more likely to get their own way. Taurus is extremely susceptible to the skillful use of both these qualities. An argument with a Taurus is not likely to yield very positive results. A compromise will work best in this relationship because both want to lead. Aries are by nature very strong-minded, impulsive and forceful. An unfortunate fault of the Aries nature is that they often take on far more than they can handle. As a result, more often than not, they become riddled with debts. The attention span of an Aries is not very much, and if something novel and interesting comes up, it quickly grabs their attention. Aries are more than happy to take risks and expect only the best from people. Aries are constantly in search of excitement and novelty. It is an undeniable fact that they love to give and will give till they have virtually nothing. The past or bygone regrets hold no attraction for the Aries. Rather, they would compete against any rival and are perfectly happy to try for achieving there, without playing around with the truth. Mars signifying passion rules Aries, while Venus, which is the epitome of love, rules over Taurus. They are a good combination, symbolizing two halves of the same coin. These two symbols are always recognized as being feminine and masculine, which serves as a balance of these energies. Aries, being a fire sign, is very eager to control their own destinies. Taurus, on the other hand, is an earth sign and needs the assurance of solidity and safety. The possessive nature of Taurus does not sit very well with the independent Aries. What Aries can do is assure Taurus of the strength of their bonding. There is an intrinsic difference between Aries and Taurus. Aries live for the moment while Taurus follows a slow and steady policy. Aries feels that Taurus is too slow, while Taurus is of the opinion that Aries is far too overreactive. The result of not compromising and clashing over minor details could frequently cause heartbreaks and other correlated problems. Aries is attracted to the Taurian qualities of tenderness, patience and sensuality. Loyalty is one of the hallmarks of the Taurus, and their steadiness is rock solid. To look at the other side of the coin, Taurians feel that Aries possess all the desirable qualities that they want in greater quantity. They know how to make the best use of opportunities. Aries and Taurus are a perfect foil for each other. The bull has the ability to convince the ram that slowing down would be a good idea. The Aries, on the other hand, teases the Taurus into not being stodgy and moving a little faster. Excitement is the Aries' contribution to the relationship, while the Taurus adds romance and stability. The Aries needs to be shown the path to reality and being grounded every once in a while. However, if the Taurus does not pay any heed to the grand dreams that the Aries has, it could have the effect of depression and insecurity in the Aries. The Aries has to feel that he is the best if he is to be peaceful. The Taurus, if pushed too hard, retreats into circle of silence, which is of even greater annoyance to the Aries. However, it is also a fact that too much negativity on the part of the Taurus drowns the natural Aries enthusiasm. It then becomes a strong possibility that they will not only retreat, but also move on. Where motivation is concerned, they could appear to move in different directions. But, when there is any sort of conflict, their strength can grow. How? Simply by confronting and imbibing and learning the characteristics and techniques which, mutually, they lack. What then is the most positive angle to this Aries-Taurus bonding? In the Aries-Taurus relationship, what then is the highlight or most positive factor? It is the sheer passion that is contained within. Masculine and feminine energy and deliberate and impulsive, all are perfectly counterbalanced. The relationship is so satisfying and replete with the spirit of giving that comes from their widely varying personalities and the spirit of mutually learning from each other. It is very obvious that the qualities that can be considered in an Aries is regarded as weakness in a Taurus. Initially it might seem that blending both their characteristic would offer a positive outcome. However, even this has a drawback. The success that the inherent natures of both have brought them reinforces the qualities and makes it that much harder to break out of the mold. This would mean accepting change, which neither is particularly fond of doing. Aries appears to be overwhelming and disorganized. This makes the Taurus in turn feel frustrated. Aries is of the opinion that weakness is behind the cause of their falling behind. Taurus on the other hand senses too much room for mistakes to be made and a lack of being grounded. If both these signs are to move along amicably, both must make an effort to understand each other and not push change that is not desired. Aries and Taurus both add valuable assets to the relationship. Taurians are by nature calm and sedate. They are very sure about how to collect all their strength and direct all their force in one direction so that amazing results can be produced. Most of the time the emotions that they feel are moderate as being predictable, but, if they are pushed beyond the limits of tolerance they flare up and digging in their heels refuse to budge any further. Past hurts that have been inflicted and the hurt that has resulted makes them live in the past. An acute desire for stability could push them into a solitary existence because while being resentful, they could also be self-sufficient. A wisdom that stems from deep thought coupled with a sense of humor, Taurus needs a lot of relaxation to lead a harmonious life. Aries and Taurus have to make innumerable adjustments so that they can work alongside for a long way. So far as acquaintances or colleagues are concerned, have a thoroughly good time together, because more than the spirit of competition, and more just sheer fun. But relatives are not very often interested in each other. If we are to look at commercial projects, both focus on their own respective agendas. As a result, they are not so much of a team, though both put in a lot of hard work. Relationships between them are very fiery, and an Aries man and a Taurus man usually make a better combination than the other way round. As parents, both are very aware of their responsibilities. However, their childhood approaches are completely at variance, and this could also bring about a lot of surprise. This is video from the playlist of the Aries love compatibility from the channel. So if you're interested in Aries love compatibility, check out the link in description of the full playlist. Check out some other videos of Aries from the channel, and get a brief knowledge. The links are in the description. Please subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.